cut page provides no overlapping edges for liquid adhesive, so a high-quality mending tape should be used. You will need only Demco mending tape, scissors, and a bone folder. Attach the tape from the inner end of the cut toward the edge of the page to eliminate any creases. Lap the tape over the top edge of the page about a ½ inch and fold it over to the other side. Don't trim the tape flush with the edge, as it will snag and cause the page to tear again. Smooth the repair with a bone folder.